Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 22. Yes, this is Candy and I am super duper appreciative that you took the time to watch this vlog. If you're a first timer, welcome to the Natural Hair Dynamics gang. So for today's vlog, I'm going to be finally trying my first hot cocoa stand, you guys. Yes, it's something that I've been wanting to do ever since the season started. However, I've been just dragging my feet and putting it off, but today is the day. Yes, we're gonna get this thing done. And I'm just gonna show you guys, some of the stuff that I actually use on the stand, some of the DIYs that I employed in order to execute the hot cocoa stand, and to just show you guys how you can make it simple yet cute. All right, so follow me. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm doing, of course, is cleaning down the cabinet. I'm just using a disinfectant wipe just to wipe it down nice and clean before we start putting anything on the surface. Alright, and here you see me laying, I'm laughing because it looks funny. I'm laying some fluffy white cottony feeling fabric on the table, and this is just the batting that was remaining after our DIY dining chair project, but trust me, it will work. Alright, and now I'm putting down this tray. This tray is from the Dollar Tree that obviously I got for $1, yes. And I'm stringing some lights because, of course, in order to make your hot cocoa stand looks festive and nice, you have to have lights. So I'm just stringing these white lights. These were from Walmart and they were only $2.97, I believe, and it's quite a bit of lights on the string, so it's perfect. And let there be light, and there was light. All right, so what you're gonna do is, well, what I did is I just pretty much played with the lights with the string just to set it in a shape that would make it look interesting enough, and just to give the entire table some amount of coverage. So I'm just using a regular masking tape just to tape the cord portion in place so that the lights stay in place and not fall all willy-nilly. All right, so that's what I'm doing, just taping random pieces or random sections down just to hold it in place. All right, so now I have the jar handy, so let me go ahead and just fill up my miniature candy cane jar. Yes, this jar is actually my repurposed Bath and Body Works candle jar. Yes, and I do have a video showing how I did that, but this is actually their twisted peppermint scent, you guys, so it's very appropriate that I would reuse the jar for peppermints. Genius, right? I know. All right, so this is one of the items, of course, that is very important for a hot cocoa bar, because peppermint mocha or peppermint hot cocoa is the bomb. All right, now I am about to fill the marshmallows. These are just the mini marshmallows that I'm putting in this mason jar. I believe these jars were from IKEA. Yes, we picked these up from IKEA a while back, but I'm not really sure of the price, but they're pretty inexpensive, like most things at IKEA. One for tasting. Perfect. All right, so yeah, this card, I'm just going to drape it around the bottle just to give it a more festive vibe and to make it a little bit more pleasant and appealing and cute. I'm just going to set the jar right on top of the tray. Not looking too bad at all for a very inexpensive hot cocoa bar. Yeah. All right, so let's move on to the cocoa, the star of the show. Yes, and I'm using these hot cocoa from Aldi, and there are 8 packs in the box. And I'm just gonna, cut and actually pour out all 8 packs into this smaller mason jar, again from IKEA. And these are the ones without the marshmallows. Usually we would get the ones with marshmallow, but I'm thinking that because we're using marshmallow, then it would be an overkill to get the hot cocoa with marshmallow plus have marshmallow on the side. Yeah, unless you like marshmallow like that, but yeah, it's not that serious. Alright, and I'm just gonna set it right beside the marshmallows. Since most times they are usually used together anyway, it makes sense to keep them on that tray together. Alright, and just setting the peppermint over on the other side, and it's already coming together, you guys. I am pretty excited. Alright, for this next display item, I'm gonna be doing a slight DIY. I'm using this vase from the Dollar Tree again. Yes, you guys can tell, especially in the holiday time, I am a Dollar Tree fanatic because we have to save those coins, right? Yeah. Alright, so I'm adding some cotton balls to the vase and just filling it up all the way to the top, because I'm going to be using this vase as a holder for my candy canes. Yes, and I have 2 different types of candy canes, and I'm just alternating them all the way around, 1 regular peppermint and 1 chocolate peppermint alternately until the entire top portion of the vase is filled with candy canes. And there you have it, you guys, my candy cane stand. Yes, a very impromptu DIY that I did, and I think it turned out pretty cute. All right, yeah, it's kind of giving me coconut tree or palm tree vibe. I don't know why, maybe it's just me, but nevertheless it is very cute. If I must say for myself, it's quite cute. Alright, so moving on, we are gonna go ahead now, and of course, where there is hot cocoa, there have to be cookies, right? Especially at Christmas. Alright, so I'm gonna be using these continental assortment of cookies. These were purchased at Aldi. Yes, and these are pretty much mainly chocolate covered cookies, and so there's a variety of them. I'm gonna be just stacking them inside the jar until it is at the fill mark. Yeah, so I'm literally trying to fight to see if I could get all of the cookies inside the jar, but it really didn't work. Most of them were in the jar though, and just a few left back, but it's fine. Alright, so now we are ready to just make a little bit of a labeling for the cookies, and I'm using these chalk labels that are from Amazon, and I'm just gonna be pasting it on the top of on the lid of the jar. Alright, so here I have a small jar, and in keeping with the coffee and cocoa theme, I'm going to be using this jar for little chocolate kisses actually, and just filling the bottom of the container again with some cotton balls. And I'm strategic in doing so because I didn't have enough of the kisses, so in being totally transparent, I was actually trying to fill up the container. So that's how I got the idea to do this. So I put cotton at the bottom, and then I fill the kisses in between each cotton ball with the flat portion of the kiss towards the jar. Right, so it's the flat portion of the kiss is actually right up against the jar, and I'm just doing that all the way around in between each cotton ball. And so this is going to be the foundation for the actual kisses that I'm trying to use to fill the container. Alright, so the kisses that I'm using are actually milk chocolate kisses in the silver wrapper, and I'm just actually putting those in order to fill up, like mentioned before, this little cute glass jar. Alright guys, so now I'm just adding some decorative elements to the stand to make it more festive. So I added a Christmas tree candle in the back, and then I'm going to be adding just a tiny, what do you call it? I think it's a church. I think it represents a little church. Yes, one of those ornaments. This is actually from the Dollar Tree, and the candle is from Aldi supermarket. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going ahead and placing my mugs, and this one is very cute. This one I think was gifted to me by my sister. It says berry and bright, so I love that one. That's actually my hot cocoa mug. And then this one I saw the other day, and I had to get it for my husband because his name begins with a P. So yeah, this would be his mug, so that's cute. And then this other little Santa Claus mug is for Joshua. Alright, and pretty much that's it by way of adding different ingredients and different decorative pieces, and the lights and the cups and everything has really brought everything together to make it a nice, actually cute little cocoa stand. So yeah, just a little look from another angle as to how the stand looks. So that's it, you guys, my very first hot cocoa stand. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to comment and let me know if there's anything that was super important that I failed to add to my stand. It's my first time and I'm open to learning. But once again, you guys, thanks for following my vlogs. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to pray. Love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.